Imagine a future where microscopic robots navigate within our bodies, performing precise, scar-free surgeries and transforming healthcare as we know it. This information emphasizes the importance of integrating cutting-edge technology into medical practices to deliver minimally invasive and highly effective treatments. Nanobots, crafted from advanced materials like graphene, hold the potential for revolutionary changes in medicine by autonomously or semi-autonomously overcoming challenges impossible for human hands. These tiny marvels, powered by external magnetic fields or internal biochemical energy, can deliver real-time data through embedded sensors and cameras, enabling accurate diagnosis and treatment. They promise significant advancements in targeted drug delivery, efficiently directing medications to affected cells while minimizing systemic side effects, particularly in cancer treatment. Moreover, nanobots can eradicate cancer cells, repair internal injuries, and facilitate continuous health monitoring, transforming preventive healthcare from an option to a standard practice. To harness these groundbreaking advancements, stakeholders across disciplines, robotics, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and medicine must collaborate, ensuring safe and ethical deployment. By embracing this potential, we stand to achieve unprecedented progress in healthcare, reshaping our understanding of health and healing for future generations. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content discussing the ever-evolving realm of technological advancements. Until next time, we shall meet again in the near future.